everyone! So, this is Mariel. And of course, sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin dito sa TikTok, I am actually a small TikToker pa lang in here. Not really that TikToker na palagi nyo napapanood, but I am a licensed professional teacher. I'm a math teacher who helps students to understand more mathematics and not to hate it. Or not to hate mathematics, okay? So, basically, I'm doing math tutorials. Okay, so kung gusto nyong mag-aral more about mathematics, pwede nyo akong tanungin dyan sa mga comment section natin dyan. And of course, I also have my YouTube channel. You can like check me, Mariel, yan, on YouTube as well. Yan, Mariel. Same with my profile name here on TikTok. So, ang iba is nakakapanood na ng mga videos ko dito. And, actually, hindi na ako masyadong active, excuse me, doing math tutorials. But, recently, marami ako nababasa dito sa mga comment section na nagpapatulong kung paano ba yung ganito, ganyan. So, kaya ito ako sumasagot sa mga questions nyo. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko matulungan kayo lahat, no? So, kapag may time ako or hindi ako busy, and gagawa tayo ng mga tutorial videos. So, tanong lang kayo ng tanong dyan. Okay, so dito sa tanong niya, which is finding the nth term or the general rule of a sequence. I understand that finding the general term of a sequence or the general rule is quite confusing, but ang maipapayo ko lang or just a piece of advice lang that I can give to you is to learn how to play with integers, with numbers, with operations, and so on. Hayaan nating tayo yung maglaro sa math. Hindi siya yung paglaruan tayo, char. Hindi, ito na nga. So, dito, meron siyang binigay na 3, -5, 7, -9, and 11. So, hindi ito yung usual na arithmetic sequence na kapag ginanapan mo ng rule is super dali lang because pare-parehas yung common difference nila. Ito kasi hindi magkakaparehas yung common difference since when you have subtracted the second term to the first term, it will give you -8, and when you subtracted 7 minus -5, it will give you +12. So, definitely, hindi parehas or hindi magkakapitulad yung common difference niya. And also, isa pa dito, kaya medyo mahirap talaga siya, is because of the alternating sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So, medyo mahirap talaga siyang hanapan ng rule. Pero, of course, yung mga teachers natin, nagbibigay naman tayo ng mga tips and advices and strategies that you can actually use just to solve this. Okay? Pero dito, just a tip lang that whenever you are finding out na alternating yung inyong given terms or given sequence, alternating yung sign, palagi nyong i-consider yung exponent. Okay? Ganito siya palagi. Okay, so para ma-resolve natin yung may alternating na sign. So, palagi siyang magiging ganito. Diba kapag hanapin nyo yung general rule, you have a sub n kasi kailangan mahanap natin yung mga next term. Diba? So, a sub n in there. So, para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ganito yung gagawin nyo palagi when there's an alternating sign. So, -1 raised to n. Okay? Raised to n kayo palagi. Kasi kapag etong negative, ni-raise natin to positive, diba? So, halimbawa, -1 raised to 2, magiging positive yon. Okay? So, pero dito kasi, -1 raised to 1 is still -1. Pero yung ating first term ay positive. So, kapag ganun, kapag yung first term nyo ay positive, so baka kailangan nyo maglagay ng +1 in there. Okay? So, kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng +1 para maging positive. Because, kailangan maging even yung ating exponent para maging positive. Okay? Para maging positive since it's positive here. Okay? So, Next naman, kapag naman odd number yung exponent nyo, magiging negative naman yung sagot. And always negative 1 when it comes to this. Okay? So, ganyan lang. So, na-resolve, excuse me, excuse me. So, na-resolve na natin yung problem natin dito sa ating alternating, which is yung first term ay positive. Okay? First term ay positive, ganito yung gagawin. So, eto na, okay, na-resolve na natin yung alternating rule. So, ngayon, ganito naman yung gagawin nyo after you do this. So, di ba ang ating n is eto, yung counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Yan yung n natin because it's the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. Ganun po siya. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is, kailangan naman nating hanapin yung kasunod nito. Kasi, obviously, hindi pa ito yung tamang magiging rule natin in this one. Okay? Hindi pa po siya yung magiging rule. Kasi, when you actually solve this, negative 1 raised to, let's say, a sub 1 to, or hanapin natin yung first term, which is 3. Negative 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is negative 1 raised to 2. Negative 1 raised to 2 is just positive 1. So, hindi pa natin mahanap yung 3 doon. So, kulang pa siya. Okay? In short, kulang pa. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, focus ka dito kay first term and dito sa ating nth term, 1 and 3. And, wag mo nang i-consider yung minus. Itong negative, minus. Wag na nating i-consider or pansinin yung negative kasi na-resolve na. So, basically, imagine that this is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And as you notice dito, kapag inad natin to 3, or 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Negative 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. So, there's always a common 2. Diba? A common difference 2. Right? So, parang it's something na parehas na unlike kanina nung may negative pa, magkakaiba yung common yung differences nila. Hindi pala common difference, basta difference nila magkaiba. So, ngayon, pare-parehas na. So, basically, ma-idea ka na that you're gonna use 2. Okay? So, ngayon, paano mo ba, dito from 1 and 3, dito sa 1 and 3, paano mo ba makukuha yung 3 out of this 1? So, gamit yung common difference na to kanina. So, that's 2 times 1 plus 1. Diba? 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Diba? So, next dito tayo sa second term para makuha yung 5. 2 times 2, yung 2 kanina, plus 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Diba? So, multiply 2, and then add 1. So, yun yung rule or pattern. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, okay ka na dun. Meron ka ng 2 times n plus 1. Okay? From the pattern of the common difference that we got, since hindi na natin consider yung negative, because tapos na tayo dito, yan na yun. Yan na yung rule mo. Ito na yung general rule mo. Okay? So, paano mo malalaman kung tama yung tinuro ni Teacher Mariel or ni Ma'am Mariel? Paano mo masasabing tama to? So, ganito. Solve natin. Kunyari, hanapin natin si third term. Yan. Third. So, we know that it's 7. 7 siya. Yung third term natin ay 7. So, dapat makuha natin yung 7 na yan. Okay? Pag hindi natin siya nakuha dito gamit yung general rule, so, mali. Okay? So, palitan natin itong a sub 3. Alam na natin na 7 is 3. Or yung third term ha, ito ay first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First is 3, second is 5, or negative 5. 3 is 7, 4 is negative 9, or fourth term. So, palitan lang lahat ng n ng 3. Lahat ng n dito sa nakuha nating general term. So, negative 1 raised to 3 plus 1, since n yan. So, 3 plus 1 times 2 times 3 plus 1. Ayan, okay? The next, negative 1 raised to 3 plus 1 is 4. And then, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. And then, negative 1 raised to 4. Negative 1 raised to 4 means negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. And, para hindi nyo na siya isolve kung ano magiging sign niya, kapag po even number yung exponent, always positive yung sagot. Pag naman, odd number yung exponent, always negative yon. So, negative 1 raised to 4 is just positive 1. Times 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So, a sub 3 or our third term is actually 7. This one. Okay? So, kahit i-check nyo pa yung 3, itong negative 5, itong negative 9, makukuha nyo yung tama. Let's say, ito naman tayo, para talagang sure na tama talaga yung ginawa natin or nakuha natin na rule. So, let's say, kukunin natin si negative 9. Okay? Kunyari, hindi pa natin alam na ang ating fourth term ay negative 9. So, papalitan mo naman ito ng a sub 4. Since fourth term, so dapat lumabas yung negative 9. Pag hindi, edi mali tayo. Pero tingnan natin. So, gamit ulit itong nakuha natin na rule. Okay? So, meron kang negative 1 raised to 4 plus 1 times 2 times 4. Kasi yung mga n, papalitan mo ng 4. Okay, plus 1, and then, negative 1 raised to 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, so, then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1. And then, negative 1 raised to 5, kagaya ng sabi ko, kapag odd number, yung exponent, negative po ang sagot, so, magiging negative 1 times 8 plus 1 is 9, so, therefore, you have negative 1 times 9, and your a sub 4 is negative 9, so, tama po siya. Tama siya dyan. Tama din ito dito. So, yun. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. And I hope that nakakuha kayo ng idea about getting the general term or the general rule of a sequence. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Nababasa ko yan, yung mga tanong nyo. Actually, gustong-gusto ko kayong sagutin lahat at tulungan lahat. Pero sometimes busy po talaga ang person. So, yeah. See you again in my next video. Bye!